we are going to talk about numeric data types in Python. If I use the word data types, so what do you mean by data types? Data types are the words. Data types are the types of which data is stored into the variables. Okay, so I will tell you how this is happen. So my file name is numeric data type. I'll make a file in my IDE, and I'll put extension that is .py, and I'll just press enter. So my new file is created, that is numeric data types. Okay, so first of all, what is data types? Data types is like, if we store a equal to 5. I have stored a equal to 5. So what is 5? 5 here is a number and a is a variable, right? 5 is a number and a is a variable. You know that. Okay, understand? 5 is a variable. 5 is a data, 5 is a value, and a is a variable. So what type of 5? It will tell type. Data type, wait, data type will tell you which type of data which type of data is stored inside the variable. Here variable is a is my variable here. Okay, so data type will tell you which type of data is stored inside the variable. So in this video there are three types of data types, but in this video we will talk about only numeric data types. We will talk about numeric data types. Numeric data types. Numeric data types are number, as you know, number. Numeric data types I will write in this line itself. So numeric data types are in numbers. Number, it may be one int, or it may be, okay, I write in next line. So the types of numeric data types are: first is int, second one is float, and third one is my complex data type. Okay, so one by one we will talk about all of this. So first of all we will talk about int. So if I make a variable a and I'll assign here as a 10 value. Similarly, what I have done here, I have assigned 10 value in a variable. Okay, I have assigned this 10 value in a variable. Now I want to check the data type of this 10. I want to check the data type of this a variable. So what I have to do, I will have to do, I will just press print here. I will print a, but I have to write again, or just I have to write print type a. So what is here type? Type is my inbuilt function in Python, which tells the user that what type of data is. So type will return the data type of a. Type will return the data type of a. Okay, then I will go to this compiler section, then I will run the file. So as you can see, the data type is int. Int is the data type of my a variable. Similarly, I will again make another variable b, and I will take here 10.0 as a value. Okay, and I will similarly print type b. Remember, this type is an inbuilt function. Okay, so we have to remember this type is an inbuilt function. We use this inbuilt function type to check which type of data is stored into the variable. Okay, so if I print this line, then it will give me class float. Because this is the floating type value, because the value is in float form, means the value is in point form, so it will return float. Okay, I will take another variable, and I will assign here 1 plus 2j. 2j or 3j or whatever you want, 1 plus 2j, and I will print this data, print this number. I will print type 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 C. So you will see that um, whenever as soon as I print C, it will show class, it will show class complex number, because this is my complex number, as you learn in early classes like maths in 10 12th. So we know this is complex number, so it will return complex data type. As you can see, it has written complex. It has written the first variable was int, second variable data type was float, and third variable data types are complex number. So these are all about my numeric data types. In next video we will talk about, in next video, next in next video we will talk about sequence data types, sequence data type. So we will talk about sequence data type in next video. So that this is enough for today's video.